Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic. And today is a special day because I have a giveaway for you. As you know by now, I'm very fond of the Motorscan app, and I have two BMW OBD2 scanners, and this one is the Unicar scan, the UCSI 2000, and because now I have a newer version of this, I'm gonna give away this OBD2 scanner especially for the BMW motorcycle fans. I'm gonna give it away free of charge. Yep, I'm gonna mail it to your doorstep. The only thing you have to do is buy the cable, which is cheap, buy the Motorscan app. Both things I link below. What I want from you guys, well, that's easy. I like to have your first name, only your first name. That's good enough for me. The street where you live, the number, the city, the postcode, zip code, the country, of course. And the next thing I want is a picture from you next to your Beamer. You also have to send me the last 7 digits of the VIN of your Beamer, so I can check if the picture you sent me is really your Beamer, because otherwise maybe some funny people also try to get this and sell it, and I want this thing to end up with a Beamer owner who subscribed to my channel. Of course, you have to do that too, so that person can do maintenance on his own Beamer with my videos on my channel with this thing. Guys, of course, I like to use your picture on my channel to show the one who won this one. Fair enough, I think. But where do you gonna send it? What is my email address? I made a special email address for this giveaway, and that is UCSI 2000 giveaway at gmail.com. Okay, so guys, if you want to win this one free of charge, this one used by me in superb condition, as you can see here, I take care of my tools, but you know that it's all nicely, not filthy, greased. No, I take care of my tools, and you get this one for free. So I hope you all going to email me with your pictures and your VIN, and I will pick later on this week or the week after that a winner, and I'm gonna email you that you are the winner, and then I'm gonna send to you this Unicar scan UCSI 2000. So guys, all Beamer motorcyclists, spread the word. Put it on forums and on WhatsApp and on Facebook and on... Make my channel big. That's my benefit, huh? And you get a chance to win this one. As I said, for free, in a nice box. And hey, guess what? Hey, haha! There is a special, yeah, what is it? Hanging thing. So you can hang it in your shed. Wow, what an invention this is. Hope to see you all and get a lot of emails from you guys. For now, old mechanic out! This is the one. Watch, see, it's all in good shape.